Guess what? It's Aurora Cello Day 1! Yes, you heard it right. It's Aurora Cello Day, and it's my first time experiencing this Music Festival 2026. And yes, it's a blast! We have lots of performers sa day 1. We got Ate Mo Jackie ng Showtime. We also have Army Milyari, Zunara, Ben and Ben, Forbes Spades, SB19, at syempre meron tayong December Avenue dahil wala nga si Sarah Geronimo dahil nagkasakit nga siya. So, pakinggan niyo 'to.
Puso mo'y sa akin lang, hindi ka na malinlang. Ikaw ang ilaw sa dilim, matang liwanag ng mga bituin ng pangyayari.
And there do at syempre may pasabog pa silang fireworks na sobrang ganda talaga. At after dito ng performance ng SB19 may fireworks, and after ng performance ng Four of Spades, eto na yung pinakadulo. Meron silang ending na bonggang-bonggang fireworks, at sulit na sulit talaga yung bayad ko dito and all the effort and all the hassle. Yun lang.